Here's how to check the oil level of a Briggs & Stratton Sprint 375 lawn mower. Find the oil cap that usually looks like this. Screw it open and use the stick to check the oil level. Carefully add small engine oil through a funnel. It's a good idea to check the oil level repeatedly in order to avoid overfilling. When the sticks shows a sufficient level, the job is done. Thanks for watching.